Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use the YouTube Focus extension to help you not get distracted by a lot of videos. Anyways, let's get into it. Once you install the Chrome extension, which I have already done, you will find it here. You can use the light or the dark theme. Enable the extension and go to YouTube. Normally, this is the home page looks like with a lot of distracted videos. Everyone try to grab your attention and to watch the whole video. Once you enable the Chrome extension and enable it from here, look, all the videos disappeared, and this is free viewing. You can search the topic you want to search about, not get distracted. Or once you are watching a video, you can show comments or disable them. You can disable sidebar, recommendation, and screen. You can clean the home page, hide notifications. It's super useful, guys, for mm, getting back your focus and your productivity. So give it a try, guys, and let me know what you think. Hope you find it useful.